proportion. Asking God for my portion. I want bands like my cousin. I want blessings in abundance. Proportion, proportion. Asking God for my portion. I want bands like my cousin.
Guys, this is your girl Inspire Walker from the comfort of my own home. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the portion challenge. Me and my girl Energy was rocking it out as y'all saw, and now watch. I'm going to show you just how we do it. Whoosh.
Proportion, proportion. Asking God for my portion. I want bands like my cousin. I want blessings in abundance. Proportion, proportion. Asking God for my portion. I want bands like my cousin.
So, this is the first thing you do. Of course, at the beginning, you just rock it out. You can, hey, just drop it. Just, hey, drop it. Alright? But, this is the main thing. When you say proportion. So, first thing you do is bring your knee in when you do it. Boom. Some people take theirs out like that, or you can bring it in, which we do this. 1, 2. Okay? So after 1, 2, 1, 2. That's the first part. You got it? Okay, that's the punch. 1, 2, 1, 2. After that is boom, 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 boom. Like the prayer hands, okay? And your feet are just okay? So let's try that. Boom, 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 boom. Count of 4, okay? So let's put them all together, the punch and the prayer, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, boom, 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 boom. Alright, good job. After that, okay? After the prayer hands, you do this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? So it's just like a fist. Boom, 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 boom. Alright? So let's put it all together. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, boom, 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 boom. Great job. Okay, after that, the very last thing is just let the blessings fall down. So you can do it towards you, which a lot of people do, or you can do it other way, okay? So let's put it all together, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 boom. Great job. So now all you do is practice, put your little swag with it, okay? So you just feel it. So let's do it all together again. Ready? And remember, with the beat is faster than what we're doing right now, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, 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 boom. Yes. And so the music in between, you can add your twist. Yeah, do the Wakanda. Yeah, and you can add the coupe here and here. Here and here. You can add that little kick. All right. Deuces.
Proportion, proportion. Asking God for my portion. I want bands like my cousin. I want blessings in abundance. Proportion, proportion. Asking God for my portion. I want bands like my cousin. I want blessings in abundance. Oh, yeah, dance for your portion. If you want your blessings in abundance, yeah. I'ma dance for your portion. If you want your blessings in abundance, yeah. Leg work for your portion. If you want your blessings in abundance, yeah. God out for your portion. If you want your blessings in abundance. Every day I say a prayer. One for me and my neighbor. Holy fire burn the hater.